Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the circuit and confirming 0 voltage. This protects you and the equipment. Once power is off, remove the relay cover and visually inspect wiring and LEDs for burn marks or loose pins. Use the manufacturer pinout to identify coil and contact terminals and put on PPE. Now connect a multimeter set to continuity or ohms, because reading the coil and contacts now tells you whether the relay is electrically sound or needs further testing. You measure coil resistance first, because a coil open or short is the simplest failure. Compare the value to the spec sheet. Once resistance looks reasonable, apply the rated control voltage briefly. Make sure you use a current-limited source if unsure. When energized, observe the relay LED and listen for a crisp click. This indicates mechanical action. Then verify contact continuity. When de-energized contacts should show open or closed per design, and they should reverse state when energized. You now document coil and contact readings, resecure the relay cover, and restore power while observing the safety loop behavior. Once done, run a few manual cycle tests to ensure consistent operation. Intermittent faults often appear under repeated cycles. If the relay still misbehaves, swap in a known good relay to isolate wiring versus device failure. Troubleshooting tip: if symptoms persist, check the safety circuit wiring and control inputs. Loose or corroded connections cause the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.